So I recently had to get a new car, and with that, I had a rental car for a minute, and I was able to use Android Auto, which in my much older car wasn't available. I loved it. So what was great about my rental car is it was a wireless connection, and in my new car, it's just old enough in the model that I have that it doesn't have a wireless connection, but it does have a wired connection. So what would happen is down here in my console, I have this little area right here where I can plug in. That's going to allow it to connect to my monitor right there, right? The problem I was having is that I had to use a cord. And so every time I got in or out of the car or unplugged it or tried to use my phone maybe while I had it plugged in there so that we could use Waze, but my husband was driving, so I wanted to use my phone for something else, it would disconnect. And it was disconnecting like with every little jostle, all of that. So I looked into was there an alternative? And I did a lot of research, and I landed on this AAWireless TWO Plus. And so I just installed this a little while ago. What I love about this is that instead of this big heavy cord that I have to plug in every time, it is just an app that automatically is going to detect and start up when I start up my car. So it's wonderful because all I have now is this little tiny plug right here. This is it. Let's see if I can show it to you well here. So this is all it is. Just this little, show you the side that's plugged in. And I can leave it down here, very easy in my car. It doesn't take up any room. I don't have to worry about the plug. If I do need the plug for something else, like to charge my phone, I have a charger port. I have other things to charge my phone. This is ideal. If you are looking for a wireless solution, if you're looking for something that works really well with your car with Android Auto, I highly recommend you get yourself. It took me seconds, well, let's say minute, because I had to download the app, but under 3 minutes to set this up and have it start working right away, and it has been seamless since I've started. So get yourself one. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all.